Okay, same clothes because I like to be lazy and not change between recordings. Is this? Oh yeah. Cannot have ashy lips. Y'all ain't gonna roast me for my ashiness. Yo, what's going on, Unorthodox gang? We lit back for another video, and we are doing mixing tutorial for once. Yes, I know. You're welcome. I know. All right, so today we're gonna be learning how to mix your drums like kind of like how Southside is. You know how his kicks and 808s be hitting hard, straight through the melody and everything else. So we're gonna learn how to do that. Mix the kicks, 808s, snares, the hi-hats, everything. I'm gonna show you guys my mixing secrets and some secrets that maybe aren't exactly like Southside. Okay, maybe they're not exactly how he makes them, but it sounds a lot like what he does, or like a lot like how his beats are mixed, if that makes sense. But yeah, so if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you leave a like. Don't forget to share this with your friends because, you know, we want everybody joining the Orthodox gang, you know what I'm saying? So make sure you don't forget to do that. Don't forget, you can still enter my Amazon gift card $25 giveaway. Link is in the description to the video that tells you on how to enter that. It's my 1,000 subscriber video, so make sure you go check that out. I dropped that on like Monday, I think, so yeah, go check that out if you want to enter. Also got links to my free drum kit in the description, so you can download midis. I have midis, 16 different sounds in my drum kit, or no, I have midis, 20, or no, how many midis do I have? Hold up. 5 different midis, 5 different Nexus skins, 10 Nexus presets that I use. I also have a drum kit with over 25 sounds, or just about 25 sounds, so it's a lot. So, and it's completely free. It's free, alright, so make sure you go download that. I mean, who doesn't like free stuff? And all that free, I don't think you want to pass up on that. So make sure you go check that out. Down link in the description. I have said that about 30,000 times. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, we're gonna get straight to my computer, and I'll see y'all there. Okay, we're on my computer, and I'm just gonna go make a beat real quick. Probably should have done that already. But yeah, we're just gonna make a beat, and then we're gonna get into the mixing. So yeah, just 1 moment, please.
2 hours later.
Okay, you guys, so I just came up with a beat. I'm gonna play it for y'all first, then we're gonna get into the mixing and what I do. So here's what the beat sounds like. So yeah. Alright, so yeah, that's what the beat sounds like. Now, it sounds alright. I know the mixing sounds okay, but of course some things need to be, you know, tweaked with a little bit. So what I like to do first is to select, I like to put everything in the mixer first. So what I do is I select the melodies, so whatever melodies you have. This is my personal preference. I just like doing this. So I right click on each of the ones that I have. So these aren't melodies, those are the drums. So I'm going to choose these two. Go to the mixer, click on the first mixer track you want to start from to place those channels. So now I'm going to just press Control Shift and then L on the keyboard, and then they're going to be in the mixer automatically. Alright, and I'm going to do the same thing for the drums. I'm going to start over here instead of here, because if I want to add more melodies I can easily. So I'm just going to start over 10. Control L, Control Shift L, and then into the mixer. So everything's in the mixer now. Everything running nice and perfect. Alright, cool. So even though this is a drum mixing video, what we need to do first is EQ the sounds, the melodies, because the low ends and the sounds are going to interfere with the 808s, and you don't want that to happen. It's just going to sound all jumbled up and all that. So what we're going to do is go in the first sound. That's what it sounds like. And whoops, we're gonna open up here, Fruity Mary Magic EQ, bring this down, just cut out the low. That's all you gotta do. I like to edit it a little bit, but you don't gotta do this. I just like to be very accurate. So there you go. And you can even cut out some of the highs. That's unnecessary if you want. Once again, you don't have to. I just like being accurate. Next sound. Oh, I already EQ'd it, so yeah, and I could just EQ that like that. Alright, cool. Next, we have the 808, which is, you know, the most important part of a trap beat. So, what we're going to do now is, see how the 808 doesn't even hit anywhere near the peak? We're gonna get it there, okay? So what I like to do, as most of you already know, I'm gonna use my favorite plugin, one of my favorite plugins, Wave Shaper. Amazing, easy to use. Just move it up until it's loud enough. You know, it's right about there. You don't want it to peak too close to the 0 dB line, so we're just gonna keep it right around here. That sounds good. Because if you do it a little bit more, it's gonna start getting distorted, and I hate, you guys know, I hate distorted 808s. So, you know, I'm not gonna do that. Next, with the kicks. Now, before I get to the kicks and mixing it, what we're gonna do is go to the piano roll. This is where my kick is. I'm gonna just go to put it in the piano roll. Let me mute everything else. So that's my kick right here. This is my kick. Before anything, we're gonna highlight all the kicks and turn up the velocity all the way on them so that it really punches. So it's gonna be as loud as possible. Sorry. So pretty decent. And the mixer is even kicking pretty high. But we still need to add fruity wave shaper, or whatever the fuck it's called. So I want to turn it up a little bit. Yeah. Just hitting it at 0 dB or something like that. It's not that much. Alright, good. Now it's gonna start sounding very, very loud. Whoops, let me turn up the, you turn down a little bit too. You don't want it to be too much. Alright, perfect. Next is the hi-hats. So with hi-hats, I don't even EQ these. I mean, you can EQ it. Matter of fact, let's EQ them. Why not? Let's just EQ these hi-hats. Just cut off all the high end. I mean, the low end. Actually, no. I'm not going to do that. Because that's not proper EQing etiquette. So I'm not going to do that. We can turn it up a little bit if you want, but it's not necessary. And done EQing that. Wait. There we go. Okay. And also, almost forgot, I gotta have some reverb on it. I like to add a reverb, so not too much. Just turn on the wet a little bit. And now we're gonna just turn on the entire track because it's a little loud. Just about there, I think is good. Snare. Oh, whoops. We can EQ this. There we go. Just about there is good. Not there because it cuts out a lot of that sound. Alright, cool. Next is the clap. Let's see how it sounds with the clap. Oh wow, I didn't even. Make sure we EQ that. There we go. Alright, cool. And everything's gonna be EQ'd, and now it's gonna sound like this. Whoops, let me turn up everything. Now everything sounds a little bit nicer, but it's still not having that Southside punch, you know. It's not sounding like it's about to blow your freaking speakers out. You want that. Alright, so one thing you gotta do is go to the master track and take out, you see this thing that says Fruity Limiter? Get rid of that immediately. Fruity Limiter is the dumbest thing that has ever been made. I thought it was good before, but somebody in the comments was like, or no, one time I was live streaming, somebody was like, oh yeah, take off Fruity Limiter, it's kind of trash. Makes your beat sound like a piece of crap, essentially. So he said use Fruity Clipper and just watch what happens. Just watch. way harder now. Sounds way harder. I know. You're welcome. You're welcome. And thank you to the person that told me that, because Fruity Soft Clipper, amazing. Use that instead of Fruity Limiter, because Fruity Soft Clipper, the way to go. Alright, always use this on your master track. Don't use Fruity Limiter for anything now. And I think that's about it. Those are some quick tips on how to mix your drums and even your melodies to make them sound, you know, similar to Southside, you know. Obviously this might not be exactly how he mixes his drums and his beats, because I've never been in the studio with him, so I wouldn't know, but this is very, very close to what he would do. So keep this in mind, use this in your beats. They're gonna sound 10 times harder, 10 times better. So, you know, that's really it, man. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you leave a like. As always, don't forget to share this with your friends. Tell them about the Unorthodox gang, man. Tell them join the family, you know what I'm saying? Only making bangers over here. You know how it is. If you want to, you can still enter my giveaway for a $25 gift card. I know y'all love money, so enter. It's free, man. Just do it. Don't forget, I also got a link to my free sound kit bundle. I got MIDIs, drum kits, Nexus preset banks, and Nexus skins, all in that for free. So make sure you guys check that out. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Subscribe, join the family, join the Unorthodox gang, man. We're only going to the top from here. Yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys once again for watching so much. Thank you. Appreciate every single one of you. And I'm gonna see y'all next time.